Hi, Dr. Harry Margaret here from the East Bentley Dental Group. Did you know that the day-to-day stresses can affect your teeth? Clenching your jaw and grinding your teeth can result in jaw pain and headache, and also cause multiple tooth fractures requiring major dental treatment and further expense. It's a very common problem that we see every day. Early diagnosis is crucial, and prompt treatment can prevent further damage to your teeth. Here at East Bentley we have a variety of solutions depending on the cause, and you may be surprised as to how simple some of these are. So why not give us a call here at the East Bentley Dental Group, your one-stop solution to dental problems. Visit eastbentleydentalgroup.com.au.